Hi, this is Tom Reardon, math teacher from Ohio, with another ACT problem to solve. We will show 3 different ways to solve this. We encourage you to do this along with me and pause the video as necessary. For the first of the 3 ways, we're going to use the numeric solver. So I'm going to press Math and then press the up arrow to go to the last entry, which is numeric solver, and press Enter. This is for expression 1. This is for expression 2, left side, right side. So I'm going to type in this just as you see it. 4, left parentheses. The fraction template's found by pressing alpha, then the xt theta n key to get the cute fraction template. 1 in the numerator, 3 in the denominator. And make sure you do get out from under that denominator. Minus 2x, and then right parentheses. Double check. And now we're going to need the fraction template for the other expression. 5 sixths, get out from the denominator, plus 3x. Double check that we've typed it correctly. To go on, we want to do OK, which is above the graph key. So I'll press graph to mean OK. And so here's our equation. And so what I need to do is put in a number that I think it's close to for the answer. So it's going to give me the answer that's closest to x equals 1. So it only has one solution. And again, I'll press graph to solve. And I get this decimal. I'd like to get it as a fraction. So if I arrow all the way down to the end here and do alpha y equals and do number 4, which is convert from decimal to fraction, press enter. There's my answer right there. Press pause as needed. If that was too fast for you, I do have the screenshot step by step on how I got the answer there. So again, come back and pause as needed. The second of 3 ways will also use the graphing calculator. I'm going to solve it graphically. I'm going to put this into y1, the right side in y2, and see where they intersect. So I'll go to y equals, and I'll type it just again as you see it. 5, left parentheses, and again I need that fraction template. And again, double check before you move on. It's easier to fix now than later. In y2, I'll put in the right side of the equation. And again, double check. So I'm going to go ahead and graph these two and see where they intersect. And to get to the intersection tool, it's second trace for the calculate menu. And we want entry 5 for intersect. First curve is blue, so enter yes. Red, second one is red, yep, enter. And my guess it's around 0, so I'll press enter. And so there's the solution I'm getting. But again, this is a decimal, and it's stored in the variable x. So when I go off to the home screen and type x and press enter, I get the decimal. And as I did before, I'll use alpha y equals to use the 4th option, which converts from fraction to decimal and decimal to fraction. And if I went too fast, here's some screenshots that will help you. Press pause as needed. The third and final way is just algebra. So I'll set these two equal, and I will distribute the 4 and get 4/3 minus 8x on the left. Right-hand side remains unchanged. To get rid of the fractions, I will multiply each term by 6, the least common denominator there. So each term will be multiplied by 6. So on the left side, that'll give me 24/3, which is 8, minus 48x. Here that 6 will divide out with this 6 and leave with 5. 6 times 3, 18x. I'll subtract 5 to get 3. I'll add 48 to get 66x. And then when I divide both sides by 66, we get that x is equal to 1 over 22, and that is answer A.